If a wire 30 cm long is extended to 30.5 cm by a force of 300 Newton, full stop, find the strain energy of the wire. Option A 75.00 joule. Option B 750.00 joule. Option C 0.75 joule. Option D 7.50 joule. JAM 2010/11. Solution. Our L1 is equal to 30 cm. We'll convert cm to meter. So that is 30 divided by 100. What do you have? 0.30 meter. Our L2 is equal to 30.5 cm. So we also convert this cm to meter. That is 30.5 divided by 100. What do we have? 0.305 meter. Is that correct? Yeah. Good. So we add another 0 to this, since this one has, do you understand? Has 3 digits after 0, after points. So here we are asked to find the energy. Energy is unknown. And the force in the question given is 300 Newton. Now, the formula for energy is E equal to 1 over 2 Fe. Hope you know energy and work done has the same formula and the same units. So where E is equal to L2 minus L1, and is also equal to E is equal to extension. E means extension. Did you understand? So we apply the formula here. We have E is equal to 1 over 2 Fe. So E is equal to 1 over 2 times our force. Okay, before we apply force, let's just take the formula clearly. Bracket L2 minus L1. Are you there? So now we can state clearly that E is equal to 1 over 2 times force is 300 over 1 times bracket 0.305 minus 0.300 minus 0.300, not 300. So this is E is equal to 300 over 2 times, this will give us what? 0.005 over 1. E is equal to, this is 300 over 2 times 10 times 5 times 5 times 10 raised to power minus 3. Are you there? Over 1. Good. So now E is equal to 300 times 5 over 2 times 10 raised to power minus 3. E is equal to this 1500, is that correct? Over 2 times 10 raised to power minus 3 over 1, is that correct? So now E is equal to 1.5 times 10 raised to power 3 over 2 times 10 raised to power minus 3 over 1. E is equal to 1.5 over 2 times 10 raised to power 3 plus bracket minus 3. That is for this. Do you understand? But if I should make it explicit, that is times 10 raised to power minus 3. Do you get? So now E is equal to 1.5 divided by 2 will give us what? 0.75 times 10 raised to power 3 plus bracket minus 3. So E is equal to 0.75 times 10 raised to power 3 minus 3. That is E is equal to 0.75 times 10 raised to power 0. According to negative index, sorry, according to zero index law in indices, anything raised to power 0 is what? So E is equal to 0.75 times 1. And that is, you cannot say, therefore E is what? And that is equal to 0.75. This is the final answer. So the answer is option C. Did you understand?